video we will see how to make a mini power supply using buck boost converter modules. Let's get started. We need the following components: a female DC jack, female USB extender, 2 binding posts, a buck converter, a boost converter, 2 LEDs with current limiting resistors, a DP/DT switch, and the plastic enclosure. I have took electrical junction box with pre-made holes. Guys, all set. Let's see how to do it. Basically, a boost converter step ups the voltage and a buck converter step downs the voltage. Let's see the block diagram. We can select the two functions based on the inputs through a DP/DT switch. When the switch is in this position, the buck converter gets activated and the output voltage is stepped down regardless of the input voltage. When the switch is toggled to the other position, the boost converter gets activated and the output voltage is stepped up regardless of the input voltage. Here is the detailed circuit diagram. Solder the wire at both the input and output terminals of the buck boost converter module. Connect both inputs positive side to one end of the DP/DT switch. Another end of the DP/DT switch goes to the output side. Connect the LEDs to both the inputs through a 1.5K resistor. If you want to know why I chose that value, check out my other video here. Since they are non-isolated modules, tie up all the ground wires together. Now we are done with it. It's optional to add an LED voltmeter directly at the output. Check it out guys, it turned to be great. Now let's check it by connecting a 12-volt battery source to it. Now we have the selection option between buck and boost. Let's increase the output by 20 volts. We will connect a halogen bulb of 60 watt to it. This power supply really handles high power. Now let's reduce the output by 2.2 volt and connect a 5mm LED directly to it. It works great, right? If you don't have a battery source like me, you can use the mobile phone's charger for powering this mini power supply. This power supply even stepped up the 5V to 20V in an efficient manner, and you can witness it here. If you end up liking this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.